Canary deployment strategies. Avoid these common pitfalls. In this video, we'll explore common mistakes in ML system deployments and teach you effective strategies to improve your deployment skills.
Welcome to our video on Canary deployment strategies. Avoid these common pitfalls. Did you know that improper deployment can lead to costly downtime and frustrated users? In the next 15 minutes, we'll uncover the critical mistakes you might be making and teach you how to refine your deployment process to ensure smooth, reliable updates for your ML systems. Stay tuned as we dive into understanding deployment pitfalls, incorrect traffic splitting, lack of monitoring, and more.
Let's start by understanding what deployment pitfalls are. In any system deployment, especially in machine learning, the stakes are high. A small mistake can lead to significant repercussions, including system outages, data loss, or incorrect model updates. One of the most common errors is rushing the deployment process without adequate testing or planning. This oversight can lead to incomplete updates that might not integrate well with existing systems. Real-world examples abound, from social media outages to e-commerce failures, all stemming from poor deployment practices. Understanding these foundational pitfalls is crucial to avoiding them. By recognizing the signs early, you can implement strategies to mitigate risks, ensuring your ML systems remain robust and reliable. Incorrect traffic splitting is a major pitfall in Canary deployments. The concept is simple: you want to gradually introduce your new system to a small percentage of users to monitor performance before a full rollout. However, many teams struggle with finding the right balance. Overloading the new deployment with too much traffic can lead to performance issues and skewed data, making it difficult to gauge the true impact of your changes. Utilizing tools like Istio or AWS App Mesh can help automate and manage traffic splitting effectively. Case studies have shown time and again that poor traffic management leads to skewed results and unwanted user experiences. Remember, the goal is to test and learn without compromising the overall system integrity. Monitoring is your first line of defense in Canary deployments. Without it, you're essentially flying blind. Real-time monitoring allows you to detect anomalies, performance issues, or errors as they happen, enabling rapid response and adjustment. Tools like Prometheus and Grafana can provide detailed insights into your system's health and performance. Yet, many teams fail to integrate monitoring into their deployment process, leading to undetected issues that can spiral out of control. By implementing comprehensive monitoring strategies, you can ensure that your deployments are not only successful but also resilient against unforeseen challenges. Remember, visibility is key, and without it, you're leaving your system vulnerable.
One of the most underutilized resources during a deployment is user feedback. Users are the ultimate judge of a system's success, yet their feedback is often ignored or undervalued. Methods such as surveys, user interviews, and usability testing can provide valuable insights into how your deployment is performing in the real world. By actively incorporating user feedback into your deployment process, you can identify pain points and areas for improvement, leading to higher user satisfaction and adoption. Remember, a successful deployment is not just about the technical side, it's about delivering a product that meets user needs and expectations.
No deployment strategy is complete without a robust rollback plan. Despite best efforts, not every deployment will go smoothly, and when things go wrong, you need to be ready to revert changes quickly and efficiently. An effective rollback plan includes clear steps, predefined triggers, and thorough documentation. Regular testing of rollback procedures ensures that when the time comes, your team can execute the plan without hesitation. Rollbacks are not failures, they are opportunities to learn and improve your deployment process. By preparing for the worst, you can ensure that your deployment strategies are resilient and adaptable.
Security is a critical aspect of any deployment, yet it's often overlooked until an issue arises. Common pitfalls include inadequate access controls, lack of encryption, and insufficient security testing. Integrating security into every step of your deployment process can mitigate these risks. Tools like a WASP Zap and Burp Suite can help identify vulnerabilities before they become problematic. Continuous security assessments ensure that your deployment remains secure as new threats emerge. Remember, a secure deployment not only protects your system but also enhances user trust and confidence in your product.
Testing is not a one-time activity, it's an ongoing process that ensures consistency and reliability. Continuous testing provides the framework for detecting issues before they impact users. By integrating testing into your C/CD pipelines, you can automate many aspects of the process, reducing the risk of human error and increasing efficiency. Tools such as Jenkins, Selenium, and Test Complete can help streamline your testing processes. Continuous testing not only helps identify potential problems early but also builds confidence in your deployment strategy. Remember, the more you test, the less likely you are to encounter unexpected issues.
Implementing successful deployments is both an art and a science. Thorough planning and clear goal setting lay the foundation for a smooth deployment process. Automation can significantly reduce manual workload and minimize errors, allowing your team to focus on more strategic tasks. Engaging with stakeholders and users throughout the process ensures that your deployment aligns with business objectives and user needs. Documenting your processes and learnings creates a valuable knowledge base for future deployments. Ultimately, striving for continuous improvement is key to refining your deployment strategies and achieving long-term success. In conclusion, mastering Canary deployment strategies involves understanding and avoiding common pitfalls. By focusing on strategic planning, incorporating feedback, and continuously improving your processes, you can ensure successful deployments for your ML systems. We hope this video has provided valuable insights and tools to enhance your deployment practices. We invite you to share your experiences in the comments below and let us know what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more content on mastering deployment strategies.